The moment you value yourself, the whole world values you. Let me tell you a short, inspiring story. A popular speaker started off a seminar by holding up a $20 bill. A crowd of 200 had gathered to hear him speak. He asked, "Who would like this $20 bill?" 200 hands went up. He said, "I'm going to give this $20 to one of you, but first, let me do this." He crumpled the bill up. He then asked, "Who still wants it?" All 200 hands were still raised. "Well," he replied, "what if I do this?" Then he dropped the bill on the ground and stomped on it with his shoes. He picked it up and showed it to the crowd. The bill was all crumpled and dirty. He again asked, "Now, who still wants it?" All the hands still went up. He then said, "My friends, I have just showed you a very important lesson. No matter what I did to the money, you still wanted it because it did not decrease in value. It was still worth $20. So many times in our lives, life tramples us and grinds us into the dirt. We make bad decisions or deal with the poor circumstances. We feel worthless, but no matter what has happened or what will happen, you will never lose your value. You are special. Don't ever forget it. All of us have moments in our lives when we feel like life has crumpled us into a ball and knocked us down. When your life circumstances are dire, it's easy for your self-worth to dwindle. I think we can all agree that life is constantly testing our strength. At the end of the day, it's up to you how you want to respond to challenges. You can either let challenges take control of your life, or you can rise up and become the master of your world. You were given this life because you are strong enough to live it. No matter what has happened to you thus far or what will happen to you in the future, you can handle it. You will never lose your value or your worth. Dirty, clean, crumpled, or finely greased, you are still priceless to those who love you. If you have found yourself on the floor, get back up. Dust yourself off and keep moving forward. In the words of Albert Einstein, life is like a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So, you are destined for greatness. Whatever you do, don't give up on yourself. Value yourself more. Keep your worth high. Mark yourself up. Because if the mark price is low, then you can't expect the selling price to be high.